What if in 2030, the most sought after jobs are neither purely human nor purely AI, but hybrid? Not AI replacing you, but you and AI collaborating as your job. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the hybrid careers of 2030 and the exact skills you'll need to compete and win in an AI driven world. Subscribe for weekly strategies to stay future ready. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and thrive in the AI era so you can land opportunities you're excited about. If you've ever wondered how to keep up with automation without being replaced by it, this is your roadmap. Let's dive in. In every era of technology, industrial, digital, and now AI, jobs evolve in ways we don't expect. We don't just lose jobs, we redefine them. The same is happening again. Hybrid careers are roles where your work isn't replaced by AI, it's augmented by it. You'll partner with AI tools instead of competing against them. You'll bring the judgment, empathy, creativity, and context that machines still can't replicate. In 2030, the most in demand roles will look like AI powered healthcare navigators, automation ethicists, human in the loop system supervisors, predictive policy analysts, and augmented content strategists. These aren't science fiction, they're already forming. Companies are reorganizing around teams of humans and AI, not humans versus AI. Now, let's talk about what skills will actually matter most in these hybrid careers. Degrees and certificates won't be enough. What counts are skills you can prove and continuously develop. The first is prompt crafting and AI communication. Writing precise, ethical, and effective instructions for AI tools. It's not about knowing what AI does, it's about guiding it clearly and responsibly. Next is data literacy and interpretation. AI runs on data, but raw data means nothing without a human who can analyze and translate it into actionable insight. Then there's systems thinking and workflow design. In hybrid jobs, you'll engineer how humans and machines collaborate, managing exceptions, feedback loops, and quality control. Fourth, you'll need digital trust and ethics. As AI shapes hiring, healthcare, and finance, fairness and privacy become core skills. The professionals who understand ethical AI will lead. Fifth is creative synthesis. AI can generate content, but humans give it meaning. You'll blend AI outputs into stories, strategies, and decisions that carry emotional impact. The sixth is adaptability. Technology changes faster than titles. Those who can learn, unlearn, and relearn on demand will always be employable. The seventh is empathy and collaboration. Machines can compute, but they can't connect. Emotional intelligence will be your competitive edge. And finally, execution and measurement. It's not enough to imagine new workflows. You must test, measure, and prove results. These 8 skills form the foundation for the next wave of careers. Roles already emerging around us. Imagine being an AI healthcare navigator, helping doctors and patients interpret AI diagnostics with empathy and clarity. Or an automation auditor, verifying whether an algorithm is fair, transparent, and secure. You might become a content and creativity synthesis lead, feeding AI with your brand strategy and human insight. Or a human in the loop systems manager, deciding when human oversight should step in to improve AI performance. You could be a predictive policy analyst using machine learning forecasts and then applying ethics in context before recommendations reach lawmakers. Others will thrive as AI learning architects, training teams to use AI responsibly, or as ethics and transparency officers, protecting fairness and privacy in decision systems. Some will become augmented talent strategists, redesigning workforces to balance automation with human expertise. The opportunities are limitless, but only if you start preparing now. Here's your roadmap for building a hybrid career before 2030 arrives. Start by auditing your current role. List every task you do. Highlight what can be automated and circle what depends on human insight or empathy. That's where your future value lives. Next, commit to adding one hybrid skill each month. Practice prompt design, data analysis, ethical reasoning, or storytelling. Small, consistent learning beats random cramming every time. Then, integrate AI tools into your daily workflow. ChatGPT, Gemini, Notion AI, Power BI, or Zapier. Don't just experiment, document your results. Measure how they improve efficiency or clarity. Fourth, share what you learn. Post a short reflection about how you used AI to save time or solve a problem. These micro stories build credibility and visibility. Fifth, look for hybrid openings or create one inside your organization. Suggest pilot projects that pair automation with human decision making. Every company needs a bridge between people and AI. Become that bridge. Now, let's talk about mindset. Perfection isn't required, progress is. Human skills scale because empathy, judgment, and ethics never go out of style. Hybrid is not just a title, it's a mindset. Every task you improve with AI compounds over time. Remember, the last time people panicked about new technology during the dot-com boom, we didn't lose work, we redefined it. The same is happening now. Hybrid careers mark the evolution, not the extinction of jobs. So what should you do after watching this video? Choose one hybrid role that caught your attention and read 3 current job listings. Note the skills mentioned most often and pick one to learn this week. Write one resume bullet that shows how you're already combining human insight with AI. Then share one insight online to position yourself as a professional ready for the hybrid future. The hybrid era isn't coming, it's here. The professionals who see their work evolving and evolve with it will lead. AI isn't replacing you. It's rewarding those who collaborate, create, and think critically beside it. By 2030, the most powerful career stories won't be about machines replacing people. They'll be about humans mastering the collaboration that defines the next generation of work. That's the strategy. That's the power move. And that's how you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and future-proof your career. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you clarity, and share it with a friend who still thinks AI is coming for their job. Because the truth is, AI is creating millions more. Tomorrow, don't miss Strategy Sunday. AI Career Trends 2030. The titles that don't exist yet. It's your inside look at the opportunities being built right now and how to prepare strategically today. I'll see you then.